To add PayPal to your Godaddy website, start by logging into your Godaddy account and navigating to your website builder. Once you are in the website builder, click on the Add Section button and select the Online Store option. If you do not see the Online Store option, you may need to upgrade your plan to include e-commerce functionality. Next, click on the Payment Options button and select PayPal as your payment method. You will be prompted to enter your PayPal email address and agree to the terms and conditions. After agreeing to the terms, you will be redirected to the PayPal website to authenticate your account. On the PayPal website, log into your account and authorize Godaddy to access your PayPal account. You will be redirected back to the Godaddy website builder, where you can configure your PayPal settings. You can choose to use PayPal as your primary payment method or offer it as an alternative to other payment methods. To test your PayPal integration, add a product to your online store and proceed to checkout. Select PayPal as your payment method and complete the transaction. This will ensure that your PayPal integration is working correctly and that you can receive payments from customers. Best practices for using PayPal on your Godaddy website include ensuring that your website is secure and trustworthy, clearly displaying your payment and return policies, and providing excellent customer service. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add PayPal to your Godaddy website and start accepting payments from customers.